The price of greatness. What's controlling your mind? Is it the TV feeding you lies about what life should look like? Is it the internet stealing your time, your focus, your potential? Or is it weakness, a lack of discipline? The excuses you coddle like a comfort blanket? Here's the truth. Wherever your focus goes, energy flows. So why the hell aren't you directing yours? Double asterisk. To win, you must first eliminate. Scrolling mindlessly. Social media isn't your career. Binging seasons of shows while your dreams collect dust. The noise, gossip, negativity, anything that doesn't build you. You want control. Cut the fat. Today. Discipline buys freedom. Sacrifice breeds gains. Daily. Laser focus on one goal. 24 hours. Dominate it. Weekly. Audit your progress. No fluff. Just results. Monthly. Level up. Outwork your doubts. Your calendar tells the truth. If it's empty, you're not hungry. If it's packed, victory's inevitable. Champions don't hope, they commit. You won't be great focusing on a year. Greatness lives in the now. Your dream? It's yours. No one will fight for it like you. The world rewards obsession, not dabblers. Ask yourself, am I willing to suffer for this like it's oxygen? If not, you don't want it, you just like the idea. Champions don't hope, they commit. You want the trophy? Pay the price in sweat, sleepless nights, and no to distractions. The gym at 3 a.m. The extra hour studying? That's the difference. Michelangelo didn't wake up a genius. He worked like one. Weakness whispers, rest. Legends answer, not yet. You're afraid. Afraid to start. Afraid to fail. Afraid to admit you've been lying to yourself. But here's the cold truth. Fear doesn't disappear. You just have to outwork it. So tell me, what's your excuse today? I don't have time. You waste 4 hours on your phone. I'm not ready. You'll never be ready. What if I fail? What if you don't even try? You say you want success, but your actions scream comfort. You check your bank account, then watch Netflix. You see someone winning, and envy them instead of studying them. You dream big, but act small. Stop lying. You don't have a knowledge problem. You have an execution problem. Double asterisk. Every day there's a battle. Fear versus courage. Laziness versus discipline. Distraction versus focus. And right now, you're losing because you keep listening to the voice that says, maybe tomorrow. But winners don't wait for someday. They attack today like it's their last shot. Double asterisk. Here's how you flip the script. Kill the perfect plan. Start now. Adjust later. Embrace the grind. Love the work, not just the result. Surround yourself with fighters. Losers will drag you down. Success isn't about motivation. It's about doing it when you don't feel like it. Double asterisk. Here's how you flip the script. Kill the perfect plan. Start now. Adjust later. Embrace the grind. Love the work, not just the result. Surround yourself with fighters. Losers will drag you down. Success isn't about motivation. It's about doing it when you don't feel like it. Double asterisk. Let's expose the lies. I'm working hard. But you clock out at 5 p.m. sharp. I'm building my dream, but you spend weekends scrolling. I'm preparing. Preparation without execution is self-deception. The market doesn't pay for intentions. History doesn't remember almosts. There are no participation trophies for adulthood. You don't have a time problem. You don't have a luck problem. You have an honesty problem. The truth? You know exactly what you need to do. You've known for months, maybe years. Yet here you are, still waiting, still hesitating, still pretending, starting today. If it's not a hell yes, it's a no. If it doesn't build your empire, it's a distraction. If you're not embarrassed by your first attempts, you waited too long. This is the way of the warrior. Action over opinion, progress over perfection. Blood, sweat, and reps over motivation. Here's your choice. Option A. Keep the excuses. Keep the comfort. Watch years disappear. Option B. Embrace the suck. Ship the work. Become who you're meant to be. But understand this. Indecision is a decision. Delay is a denial. And every day you wait, someone else is taking what could be yours. The world needs your work, not tomorrow, not when it's perfect, now. Burn the ships, silence the doubts, make your move. This ends one way. You either find a way or you make one. Prove me wrong.